What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Drive Talk Cars. In today's episode, we are going to be going over a few products that you asked for from Turtle Wax, and they have answered. So let's get into the video. So for 2022, Turtle Wax has introduced some new products that I think that you guys are going to love. They sent me over quite a few products, and I'm excited to get into it. And we do some videos for each product to demo it out and see how you use it and the results from each product. So let's go ahead and show you what they have sent over. All right, so we have a car wash. It's called Pure Car Wash Slick and Slide. We have a wheel cleaner and tire prep. We have another wheel cleaner with iron remover. We have a graphene acrylic tire shine cleaning coating spray. We have an inside interior product. It's called Inside Job. It's got ceramic and graphene infusion. And we have a mist to go along with their other Hyper Solution mist products. It is a glass cleaner that you can do inside and out. And it's also safe on tint, so that's a plus. And then we have a ceramic graphene paste wax. All right, so the product that we're gonna focus on today is the Hyper Solution Rapid-Decon Wheel Cleaner plus Iron Remover. That's a mouthful. What we're gonna do is just focus on this product for today. If you haven't done so already, subscribe, hit that like button, that notification bell. That way, when I review the other products, you'll be in the loop and you can catch those other videos. So let's get into using this product. So if you haven't done so already, check out drivetalkcars.com. That way you can get your own merch just like this. Have hoodies, t-shirts, jet tags, and stickers. So check it out. Back to the video. As the name suggests, it does have an iron remover in this wheel cleaner, and it does have the color changing properties that when it detects iron and it starts breaking it down, it will start changing colors. It turns to the color of purple. So that's a cool thing to have. It's always nice to see that the product is actually doing something, because most products you spray it on, doesn't do anything, then you wipe it off. But this will change colors. So I know in a previous video I did about wheel cleaning, people said that the wheel really wasn't dirty. So in this case, you will be able to tell that it is dirty when it starts changing to the color purple. Let's see what the directions are. So basically you will shake the bottle well. You apply it to a cool, dry surface so you don't have to pre-wash the car or pre-rinse the wheels and tires. Definitely, as always, most products, if it is hot, don't spray the product on the surface. And that's about it for that. So the instructions as far as applying the product, it says you want to spray enough product to thoroughly cover the entire wheel. Let the product dwell, sit on the surface for 2 to 4 minutes. The color will start to change, indicating that iron and contamination products have been found and is starting to break it down, so that's why it's changing colors. Also, the Rapid-Decon means rapid decontamination, so therefore when you spray it on the wheel, you should see it start to change colors pretty rapidly. And then after you spray it on there, let it wait for 2 to 4 minutes, then you will spray it away with a powerful stream of water. So your power washer if you have one. If not, use your regular hose on high power. So if your wheels are very contaminated and you have a lot of brake dust, you will have to do a little bit of agitation on the surface of the wheel to get it fully clean. So another bonus for this product is it's not just for wheels. You can also apply this to your paint to decontaminate your paint surfaces. Now, it's made for original OEM painted surfaces, so I don't know if you want to put it on anything other than that, but it's up to your discretion. So that's it for how to apply it. So let's use the product so you can see it in action. All right, as we can see, the tire is pretty dirty. Of course, it's not like the dirtiest tire in the world, but it's dirty enough to use this product and to see how it reacts and cleans the wheel. All right, so let's go ahead and spray it, see what we get. So now you want to make sure that you're giving a good coverage on the whole surface. All right, so as you can see, it has turned purple. So that's that Rapid-Decon in action. Like I said, the purple is indicating that it is breaking down the iron and contaminants on the surface. All right, so it's sat for 4 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and dry it off. It says make sure not to let it dry on the surface. So let's go ahead and rinse it off. right, so we haven't touched it with anything, so let's see how clean it is. There you have it. I haven't wiped anything or done anything. That's just straight after spraying. Pretty clean. So as you can see, the results are great. After just letting it sit for 4 minutes or so, as you saw, it turned purple, so it was dirty. So it wasn't like it was a brand new clean wheel. It definitely had some contaminants, and it was definitely dirty from brake dust. So after spraying that, as you saw, I wiped my finger, nothing on my finger. Absolutely clean. And as you can see here, it cleaned the whole lug nut barrel. Typically those are still dirty unless you go in there and agitate them with a cloth or some type of cleaning device. So I just literally sprayed that in there and it cleaned it out. Also, I want to point out that it cleaned the barrel. The barrel typically does not get cleaned just because it's, you know, in there, and depending on the wheel that you have, it might be hard to get inside of here. But this right here was clean just from the spray. I don't even know if it got on the whole barrel, but from what I see down here, which is usually the spot that gets the most spray on it, it is clean. So if you're able to get in there, based on the type of wheel style that you have, you'll really have an opportunity to clean the barrel out without having to take the wheel off and, you know, do it how we normally do it. Another thing to look at is the caliper. That's clean. We have a little bit right here, but that's probably because I didn't spray it, or it might need a little agitation, but typically that doesn't come out that clean without some type of agitation from me. So being able just to spray it on and get that type of results, I'm very happy. So like all the other Turtle Wax products, I'm really satisfied with them. This one definitely in my arsenal of wheel cleaners. Being that I have the other wheel cleaner that we're gonna test in another video, I'll probably alternate between the two. That one doesn't have the iron remover and it's more geared towards the wheel and tire prep. So this is my new favorite. I will have a link in the description down below so you can get your own product as well as the other ones. Also, if you enjoyed this video, give me that thumbs up. And as always, do it until you can't. Until next time, I'm out.